Come with me, friends. Let's make some soup joumou from start to finish. First thing I did was grab my bestie and we headed to the farmer's market because that's where you're going to get all the ingredients. Look at this cute bag my daughter got me for Christmas, y'all. Legume is my favorite Haitian dish. I'll share it with y'all one day. When I first got to the farmer's market, I was freaking out. They did not have the cut up calabash squash, which is the main ingredient, but we decided to just move on with the rest of the ingredients and not freak out immediately. If you guys don't know, soup joumou is a soup that Haitian people drink on January 1st, not because it's New Year's, y'all, but because it's Haitian Independence Day. We got our independence January 1st, 1804 from France. We were the first black country in the Western Hemisphere to do so. And guess what? There used to be this soup that as the enslaved people we would make, but we were not allowed to drink, called soup joumou. Of course, as soon as we got our freedom, what do you think we started doing? Drinking the soup, right? So now it's customary for most Haitians to have it on January 1st. Now, the main ingredient is this orange looking squash called calabash squash. It looks like a pumpkin, but it's not a pumpkin. The beautiful orange color is what gives the soup, well, its orange color. It tastes closer to butternut squash. I would say I add both of them to my soup, and it really, I don't know, adds a depth of flavor. We checked out. It was $50, not bad. Headed home. As soon as I got home, the first thing I did is started cleaning my meat with some green seasoning. You can get the recipe on my channel and on my website. I put my meat to boil while I cut up my vegetables. Now, you would normally boil the squash, but because I had carpal tunnel surgery, I opted to roast it with some other like veggies. It was so good. I'll never do it another way. I added my cut of vegetables to my meat to boil while I blended up my squash. I folded into the soup very gently. You don't want to break up the vegetables. If your soup is too thick, you add some more water. I also added water to the blender and cleaned that out. I finished it off with some fresh seasoning, peppers, onions, and a little bouquet of herbs. I added my pasta. This time I used egg noodles. Normally it'd be rotini. I didn't have any. I let it cook for another 20 minutes, and that was all she wrote. It was so good.